Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is gonna be Attack on Titans. Sorry if you don't ship JeanMarco. If you don't ship then you can leave. If you stayed, enjoy the video. Suggest more video ideas. I plan on basing my channel on Haikyuu My Hero and Attack on Titans. You can give me lyric pranks or texting ideas. Enjoy. Gets Eren out of trouble squad group chat. 2:36 AM. Okay, that's it, fess up. Huh? Eren, fess what? Who's having a sleepover without me? Sleepover? Yay. I can hear them having a pillow fight without me. Dot. PFFT. Wait. Dot. You mean the bed that's squeaking? Yay, what else? Eren. They aren't having a pillow fight. Huh? Then what are they doing? UHH. Why the fuck are you guys texting at 2 AM in the morning? Well, someone is having a sleepover without me. What? Someone is having sex. What? Wait. The noise stopped. Can they read our messages? They probably stopped because they saw what we wrote. Pussy. What's happening here? Sun is having fun at 2 AM. Fun? Sex? Oh. Hey Annie. Why are you all awake at 2 AM? Wait, so they aren't having a pillow fight. But who is doing it? What? Guys, the noise is back. It seems like they are going harder. Okay, now I hear moans.
Why are we still here? Just to suffer?
Mom, come pick me up, I'm scared. Okay, but can you guys stop fucking for a second? At least let me fall back to sleep. No, he's onto something. I'm still wondering who it is. Question mark. What is it, Ime? Jean, you've been quiet. What? I'm trying to sleep. Guys, do you hear that? Because it sounds like dead silence when Jean texted. So Jean, shut the fuck up, I'm trying to sleep. Dot. PFTT. You wanna go Titan boy? Meet me outside Horseface. Wait, no. Maybe later. Wait, so Jean, are you fucking someone at 2 AM? But with who? Dot. Is it just me or is Marco being really quiet? Marco's a heavy sleeper. I remember him waking up by someone calling his name. He's one of the most lightest sleeper I met. Nah. At Marco. WTF Eren. If Eren at S him then so do I. At Marco. Stow. At Marco. Wait. At Marco. At Marco. At Marco. At Marco. Dot. Hi. Care to explain the moans? Dot. I swear I'm a top. Wait. WTF.